No-brainer crypto trading. Entry threshold to the cryptocurrency industry has never been lower. A cryptocurrency exchange with zero handling fees and over 150 digital coins, it provides saving, IO, stake, ETF, margin, spot, future, and token listing methods to streamline crypto trade. Initially, the main idea of Zcash developers was to take all the factors that made it difficult or unprofitable to trade cryptocurrency and build a solution that smooths them out. Traders can also buy and sell NFTs without worrying about a high niche entry threshold. The main selling point of the platform, however, is a focus on making learning crypto trading easy. With this in hand, crypto beginners get to start trading without any special knowledge that they could previously only gain through thematic literature and learning terminology. The Zcash experts developed a really cool guide for beginners, which contains tons of useful information, both on handling the interface of this crypto exchange and on the nuances of crypto trading. This means that all Zcash users get access to the most up-to-date and filtered knowledge that can be put to good use in their trading career. What else does Zcash offer for beginners? It was created specifically to simplify trading on this crypto exchange and back up high volatility cryptocurrencies with a more stable coin. By investing in these tokens, Zcash users insure themselves against a fall in the rate of the other 4 cryptocurrencies listed above and, accordingly, against unexpected money losses during their trading activity. Finally, this crypto exchange offers a variety of bonuses, including a trading bonus, a referral bonus, and a Zcash token staking bonus. This makes cooperation with Zcash an extremely profitable deal for both beginners and experienced crypto traders. To become a successful crypto trader today, people don't need to read dozens of manuals and guides describing high-grade terms and techniques. The time to enter the crypto industry can be easily reduced by choosing the right crypto exchange. And the Zcash solution seems to just provide that streamlined chance to join the crypto trading community.